Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. I just got home from work and I was welcomed with a really nice surprise from one of our subscribers, moderators, and friend of the channel, Tony_Seed. So a little backstory, a couple of weeks ago I was detailing my truck and I was live streaming it, and Tony jumped in and he said, hey, look, I can get you some detailing stuff and send it your way. A couple of weeks later, we got ourselves a nice care package. Tony, thank you so much for this. I know it's pretty expensive to ship something like this across the country here to Minnesota. You know, it means a lot. And so I wanted to dedicate this video to you and unbox it for the folks here on YouTube. All right, well, here we go. Look at this little note. The packets with the microfiber towels are a OEM ceramic windshield coating offered at my dealership. I included 2 and recommend 1 packet per half of the windshield. If you try to do the whole windshield with one, it will dry and leave streaks and you will run out. Clean the windshield really good before applying. The matte ceramic tire shine is my favorite for tires and all exterior plastics. Apply with the soft brush. The clear spray is the iron remover I told you about using instead of a clay bar. You'll see it turn purple when it's reacting with contaminants. P.S. It stinks. From quote-unquote Tony Seed. Oh man. Handwritten and everything. Thank you. Wow, look at this. 2-step glass application, ultra hydrophobic. Wow, and everything is packed in separate Ziploc bags too. Oh, look at this. Grab this guy. Super hydrophobic polymer, spray on, wipe off, cross bonding technology, ceramic coating booster, excellent durability. Plastic wrap on there too, just in case. This is the stinky iron remover that he was talking about. We'll set that aside. All right, ceramic matte tire, made in the USA. I love that. Upside down extra duty cleaners and degreaser. Wow. So it's an interior cleaner. And then we got our industrial strength glass cleaner. Wow, look at that. And then we have an orange citrus cleaner. All-purpose cleaner for vinyl, plastic, and other hard surfaces. Deodorizing orange citrus. VOC compliant. Iron fallout remover. I kind of want to smell it and tell you what I think on the video. You know what? I'm probably going to do it. I'm going to smell it. Oh my God. Oh God. Yes. I am in agreement with this labeling. Well, there's Tony Seed's 11 Spice and Herbs. Tony, thank you so much for sending this stuff. Once I get my truck back from the dealership, because it's going to be there for about 2 weeks, I'll start using some of these products and maybe we live stream it.